In this learning objective, we will discuss how a ledger and posting contribute to the recording process. The entire group of accounts maintained by a company is referred to collectively as the ledger. The ledger provides the balance in each of the accounts, as well as keeps track of changes in these balances. Companies may use various kinds of ledgers, but every company has a general ledger. A general ledger contains all the asset, liability, stockholders' equity, revenue, and expense accounts. Whenever we use the term ledger in this textbook without additional specification, it will mean the general ledger. The number and type of accounts used differ for each company depending on the size, complexity, and type of business. A small corporation like Sierra will not have many accounts compared with a corporate giant like Ford Motor Company. Sierra may be able to manage and report its activities in 20 to 30 accounts, whereas Ford requires thousands of accounts to keep track of its worldwide activities. This slide shows the chart of accounts for Sierra in the order that they are typically listed: assets, liabilities, stockholders' equity, followed by revenue, and then expenses. Accounts shown in red are used in this chapter. Accounts shown in black are explained in later chapters. The procedure of transferring journal entry amounts to ledger accounts is called posting. This phase of the recording process accumulates the effect of journalized transactions in the individual accounts. The next several slides show the basic steps in the recording process using the October transactions of Sierra Corporation. A basic analysis and a debit-credit analysis precede the journalizing and posting of each transaction. Study these transactions carefully. The purpose of transaction analysis is first to identify the type of account involved, and then to determine whether a debit or a credit to the account is required. You should always perform this type of analysis before preparing a journal entry. Doing so will help you understand the journal entries discussed in this chapter, as well as more complex journal entries to be described in later chapters. The general journal for Sierra Corporation for the month of October is summarized in the next 4 slides. This is Sierra's general ledger for the month of October. The ledger provides the balance in each of the accounts, and it's highlighted in red, as well as keeps track of changes in these balances.